So today we're here at my cabinet shop and we got this template. There's a stair thread gauge to do the templates for when you do the steps, because a lot of the times the steps are in angles or walls, and you can make it with a piece of wood or cardboard, but we decided to get a jig. It makes our job easier for us, and we're gonna put it together to show you guys how it's done.
Now, including with the instructions and different sizes that you can do, so it doesn't have to be the tallest stairway, it could be the shortest. So that means you don't have to use all of them. You can only use some of them if you want. So different degrees, and in fact, they give you how much the stretching are. And you guys can see some of them slide. So that means you don't have to use them all.
And I got the template put together. What I like about this jig is that it comes with this adjustable 90-degree stopper, so when you're doing your template, if the wall's in an angle, you move it, and when you want to straighten it out, the nice thing, it has this adjustable guy that you put it close to the edge, and it'll give you your 90-degree straight edge to put it back together. So the nice thing about this jig, you loosen it right there, and it'll give you your dimension right there to the edges. Slide it there, and now we're gonna tie every single one of them. And there we got our step. So now once you tied everything, you could trace it on a piece of cardboard, you could cut your steps, and you can number them, each of them. You can even label them as you go up on the houses where you're making your templates.